Yeah, Salad has lots of fans, huh? I know that like 2 of them are from one gen and another one is from the other gen. Is Salad like from the earlier gen, right? Salad looks so nostalgic and old school to me. It does look like one of the early ones because the design is still so simple. I wish they had just completely new starters. But I don't know, maybe they're for the next gen. They're preparing something, and this is not a new gen. I feel like, I guess when it gets to this point, they already have so many gens, so now they're just working with what they have, which is basically like hololive. Instead of pumping out more new gens, they continue working on what they have now. Beautiful. Yeah. They did bring out some announcer though, but that doesn't count. When I saw the new announcer girl's design though, I felt like that looked very idolly to me. Like compared to Nodoka and A-chan, the new one looks very idolly to me. You know what I mean? And it gives me like Weather Girls vibes. Like more cutesy than usual. Like they want people to become fans of this girl.
Konnichiwa.
I really like the uniform and the hair and everything. Cute. They're like, here, even our announcers are marketable. You could even turn them into plushies.